Landon here, back again, and in today's video we're going to be walking through how to upload a video natively to LinkedIn and how to include subtitles. So navigate to your business page or your personal page, wherever you're posting this from. Click right here on the little video icon. Find your MP4 file. Open. There we go, that part's really simple. Then you want to click here on this pencil. So this is where we can give it a title. And then we upload our SRT file for subtitles. And open. Save. And that's pretty much it. Now you're ready to give some kind of description, better than that. But you can go ahead and post, and you've got your subtitles in your video. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.